friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. Today we are doing a ticket pocket. This is a super simple, very easy pocket, and if you'd like to see how this came together, hang tight. Today is day 25 and we will be making a ticket stub pocket. Please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis's channel. She is the creator of this fun collaboration and I am co-hosting along with her. Each of us are making 100 pockets, which means we're making 100 videos. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to start with this book page that I cut down to a size that I feel will fit nicely into a journal. So this is like my backing paper, if you will. And I'm going to use this circus ticket as my pocket. Now the instructions on this day say to go across a page, but since I don't have like a full page to work with, and this is a pretty good sized ticket, I'm just going to use this as the pocket. All of the instructions in Cindy's booklet are open to interpretation, so don't feel like you have to stick right to every word. You can, absolutely, and on most of them I have. But on a few of them, I have to add a little twist for whatever reason. Now I want to let you know that I got these 3 tickets off of this sheet, and this is a Dear Lizzie American Crafts. I'm looking at the top up here, and I got this many years ago, probably 4 years ago, and so I don't even know if this is still available, but it's really, it's great, right? And then the back of it, just so that you know, in case you were curious, this is what the back looks like. So that's where I got my tickets. Now this one, I'm going to go ahead and glue down now, and then while that glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and de-stress these. You'll notice that I put my glue here on this edge and then down this edge, but I didn't on these edges. And this will leave this open, which leaves a little bit of extra flexibility for, adding extra things to it. I've got my ink pad here, so I'm just going to add a little bit of ink to the edges of these. This is so summery and bright and fun, so I don't really need to age these necessarily, but it does add some nice definition. So we've got that one done. Let's go ahead and stuff these in the little pocket. And just so that you know, you could add anything here. You could add a larger tag here if you wanted to. But since I'm not sure where this eventually will end up, I'm calling this done. I can always add to it later. If you've missed any of the videos that Cindy and I have created, we both have a playlist, and both of our videos are on both of our playlists. And also, Cindy does have a booklet that shares all the 100 ideas for pockets and the instructions as well. Thanks for watching. See you soon.